Okay, welcome to this DCG video on the 2022 deferred exam. So this was the contingency exam paper. Okay, so we're going to look at a lovely question here. Question A, tree below shows a birdhouse. The drawing shows the elevation and plan of a similar birdhouse, and you can see the plan is inclined to the vertical plane. Okay, using the given x1, y1 line, draw the true length of the line of intersection, and between surfaces A and B, and hence indicate determine the dihedral angle between the two faces A and B. Right, so we're going to take our set squares. We're going to line them up with the x1, y1 line. So I'm going to project along there. And I'm going to take my heights from elevation. Now, I can use this as the datum line here. Okay, I can use the wall plate line, or the end of the roof, as a datum line and take the height from there. So I'm going to project this up. I'm going to get my compass. So I'm going to take the height from elevation. So just this distance here. I'm going to plot it along here. And I'm going to draw this line here. Now, we're going to label these points. So, A, B, C, D. So this is D1, and this is B1. That's the true length of the line of intersection. Okay, here's C1/A1. And then we can connect D1 to C1, because that is that surface B there. Now, I'm then going to get my set square, and I'm going to look along the true length of the line. And I'm going to do this quite far up. So I'm going to do this up as far as I can. And here's my x2, y2 line. Now, I'm going to take the distance from my x1, y1 line back to plan. So this is a point view. Of the line of intersection DB. I have one more line there to project up. So I have to project this line here, point C1 and A1. I have to project that. Parallel to line DB, the line of intersection. So I'm going to take the distance from my x1, y1 line back to C1 in plan, lift, put it onto my x2, y2 line. Then I'm going to take the distance of my datum line back to C, and I'm going to mark that in as well. Now, I can then join this back here. And it's good habit always to indicate in degrees the value of the dihedral angle. The value of that angle was 118 degrees. Now, part B, determine and indicate in degrees the true inclination of surface A to the horizontal plane. So this line C to B is the true length in plan. We need surface A to project as a line. So we're going to look along line AB because it's a point view. or because line AB is a true length, line AB will project as a point view rather, and surface A will project as an edge. So I'm looking along line AB, and I'm going to draw in my x1, y1 line, and I'm going to take the height from elevation of point D. So that's the apex of surface A, and I'm going to put it onto this line here. Now, this gets you surface A as an edge view, and then the true inclination of surface A to the horizontal plane, okay, is here, is 43 degrees. Okay, and there we have the question done. Now,